Imagine yourself as a molecule of glucose. Ready for a thrilling journey? Buckle up. Your adventure, known as glycolysis, starts in the cytoplasm of a cell. Your goal? To produce energy. First, you'll get reshaped into fructose. This requires 2 energy units, but don't worry, you'll earn them back and more. Next, you'll split into 2 3-carbon molecules. Here's where things get exciting. Each molecule will undergo a series of reactions, resulting in 2 molecules of pyruvate and netting a whopping 4 energy units. And voila, you've transformed into energy and you're ready to power up the cell. That, my friends, is the magic of glycolysis. Fascinating, right? Join us next time as we dive deeper into the world of biochemistry. Until then, stay curious.
Today we are going to do glycolysis. Glycolysis is a very important biochemistry topic. Glyco means sugar, lysis means breakdown. In glycolysis is basically the first step in cellular respiration. It is the first step in cellular respiration. First of all, glucose, which we eat during our meals, such as if you are having any kind of meal, such as breakfast, your lunch, or dinner, you are consuming glucose in the form of bread, chapati, or it can either be sweet potato, etc. All the plant material contains glucose, such as your fruits, vegetables. Vegetables have starch, and basically the root tubers also have starch as well. In starch, glucose make a chain like that. It has a chain like that. It is hexose. It must have six carbons, and so on. This chain can be of 100 or 200 and so on. Glucose is a hexose, which is a 6 carbon sugar. In this glucose, a ATP molecule will be added in the process of glycolysis. Glucose is converted into fructose phosphate in the next step. Glucose is the isomer of fructose. Glucose is the isomer of fructose. Glucose isomer. What does the word isomer means? Structure is different. Structure is different, but the molecular formula is same. Molecular formula is same. Glucose has 6 carbon in the form of ring, while fructose is a 5 carbon molecule. It has 5 carbons. Fructose has 6 carbons, but you can see a ring like that. It is a pentose. 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Glucose has 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides are there, and there is a oxygen. Now moving towards our glycolysis. Glycolysis is a breakdown of glucose. ATP molecule will be added in glucose, which is the hexose. Glucose will also be converted into the fructose. Glucose is converted into its isomer fructose, and a phosphate is added by ATP. So glucose will be converted into fructose phosphate, which is also 6 carbon. Fructose have 6 carbons as well, just like glucose. They both have a common formula of C6H12O6. Another ATP molecule will add phosphate group into fructose phosphate. Then the next product will be fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. In the second step and third step, you can see phosphorylation occurred. ATP molecules have phosphorylated the fructose phosphate molecule. Then again one phosphate will be added into fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Now what will happen? Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate, which is a 6 carbon molecule, it will be converted into 2 molecules of triose phosphate. 3 multiplied by 2, 6 carbon. Configuration will never be changed. 2 molecules of triose phosphate will be formed here. Now what will happen here? 2 ATP molecule will be produced and 2 hydrogen molecules will be added in nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. And nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide will be broken down. Of course, it will be reduced into 2 reduced NAD. We can either say 2 reduced NAD or NADH. 2 nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide molecules will be reduced to 2 reduced NAD. You can either say 2 reduced NAD or 2 NADH. Then there will be formation of more intermediates. Again 2 ATP will be released. They will be produced and the final product will be pyruvate, which is a 3 carbon molecule. Now we are getting 2 molecules of pyruvate. We are getting 2 molecules of pyruvate. Again you can see 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 1 glucose, which is the 6 carbon, is broken down into 2 molecules of pyruvate. 2 multiplied by 3, 6 carbon. The configuration which was at the start, which is the 6 carbon, is the same in the end products. Follow and subscribe my channel for more biochemistry and zoology and biology lectures, and do support my channel. Thank you.